How to fix Microsoft Teams not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Teams not opening on Android phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and then check if there is any update for Microsoft Teams, and then just click update. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now click uninstall and then install it again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and here click Teams and go to permissions and give it all of those permissions here. And after giving it all of those permissions, now make sure this one is enabled, and then enable this one also, and that's it. Now for stop, go back and try again, and don't forget like, and see you in the next video.